What's up, YouTube viewers? Happy Monday, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. You are watching Shamara's Vision. I'm Shamara, and in this video I will be painting an abstract design.
Alright, so I'm using a canvas that I'm recycling from a different painting, and I'm going to use purple as my base color to cover it. Once the canvas is completely covered, I begin with the palette knife using acrylic paints to create the abstract design. I'm using white, light pink, hot pink, purple, and metallic purple. Swiping with the palette knife up, down, and side to side is how I create this piece. When doing this painting, I didn't have an actual end result idea. I just wanted to pick some fun colors and see what happens. These colors really look great together, and the metallic purple adds a perfect shimmer and pop.
Alright, there you have it. Thank you so much for checking out my video. I had such a great time painting this abstract piece. I wanted to show a little bit closer exactly how it looks all dry. Very pretty. It's fun. You can switch it either way. Really cool colors. I have this wiggly guy on my lap. This is my little son, Jabari. He's 4 months old, sweet baby boy. Stay tuned to this channel as well as all things motherhood and cooking. So thank you so much. Hit that like button, click to subscribe, and until next time, shine on, shine bright.